Good afternoon, I'm Thomas C. Parisi from Partidos Pro Derechos Humanos de Cuba, the Party Pro-Human Rights of Cuba. Today I'd like to speak about the situation of Sara Fonseca, the National Secretary of Partidos Pro Derechos Humanos de Cuba, afiliados a la Fundación de Sakharov. Precisely over the last 9 months, Sara Fonseca has been severely persecuted for her beliefs in basic human rights for the people of Cuba. Starting in late September, she had protests outside her house. She had people assaulting her. So far, as of December, she had almost a group of 500 to 600 people. This was approved by the Republic of Cuba. The actual government set up a podium and had national television news cameras outside her house, protesting, vandalizing, and trying to assault the occupants there inside. As recently as four weeks ago, as of April 18th, Sara Fonseca was brutally beaten and arrested and brought to one of the Ministry of Interior offices for severe interrogation and also for temporary incarceration. As of last week, Sara Fonseca was once again beaten and brought to jail. These are crimes which go unanswered so far as in Cuba, as these are approved by the Communist Party and are for any kind of dissident, as they call it, or any kind of political enemy. Persons such as this receive these kind of punishments, and usually are sentenced to prison sentences no less than 5 years and a maximum of 25 years in a cell no bigger than this, by this, and perhaps maybe 7 feet tall. An example of this would be Dr. Oscar Elias Bisset, who spends the better part of a decade in political prison because of his beliefs against state-forced abortion. One of the things I'd like to point out in regards to Sara Fonseca is Sara Fonseca is a Christian. She's a Baptist. This is also something that's very disagreeable to the Communist Party. Any kind of Christian sentiment until 1997 was strictly forbidden by law, ever since the Bay of Pigs incidents in 1962. At the present moment, the case in point being Sara Fonseca is under severe scrutiny and severe persecution. And we'd like to bring this to the attention of the general public of both the United States, England, and Europe in general, for an intercession by the United Nations on her behalf, on the behalf of all the independent political parties of Cuba. Once again, I thank you for your kind attention. God bless you, and have a good day.